Beautiful Tuesday, Mjolo Tuesday, of course, taking it back to that old school type of love, baby. Of course, it goes hand in hand with what we're chatting about today.
Coffee chats on the drive-through.
Baby FM 95.0.
So on Mjolo Tuesday today, I am thinking about my grandparents' relationship, right? And the things that they had to go through together individually, and yet they died together. Well, not the same day, but like we buried them together. And I'm wondering if anyone here will have the same fate. So that's the question for today. What's the difference between the relationships tsa khale le tsa kajeko?
Firstly, the relationships are kind of, but what kind of never, the Wakono Maka, and the one only accept the Maka ow.
Self-raising.
Now, what's all trying to self-raising? Yeah.
Stuff some samalasi.
Yeah, no. Which is kind of weird because stuff some like about 12 inch. Or Luena or like about. Ufuthi matsa sechaba lo ena.
Ngula skraka mo ntlong se jumile.
Se fisa o gcina o setse ka mmele o tsama ka bontlong.
Go tonya go ntle.
See, the lies back in the day were, women back in the day used to believe those lies. Or no, e re ke Jozi go bereka ke a boa.
Oh yeah. Selaile.
Yo?
Okay.
Which is a no. What do you think is the biggest difference?
I think Kotlelo. Right now, growing up, women used to be the prize, right?
Yeah.
Even now, they still are, but now men are also saying, we are the prize as well. You know, I can leave.
Who's winning here?
You get what I mean? So that's what they do.
There's too many prizes in this competition.
So who is actually the prize? Who's the prize? Who's the winner?
At this point.
At this point.
It's just too much. It's just too much. We'd love to hear what you got to say, though. 079-217-9999. That old school love or the new school type of love. And what is the difference between those two? We'd love to hear what you got to say, man. 079-217-9999.
Nna go nane nka re di relationships ne tsa khale ya le rata ne le la maneti but la gona nong ai astan go like moto le kana but after beke ke di tshele gwaliwa ke dintwa ya.
The difference between then and now is that there's definitely more access to information, terminology, psychology, like in terms of like relationships and stuff like that. Like there's a lot more to understand in terms of a person and a relationship in general compared to before, where everything was just isolated to what everyone else thought was normal. And that affects like so many different aspects in a relationship, basically.
Good morning, drive-through team. Go bona ka nna, the difference ke digital connection. Kgale batho ne ba sene di phone, ba sene di social media, ba kwalelana di letter fela. And that is the reason why they valued communication. Because o ngwalela motho hao letter today, e tlo fihla ko yena after 5 days. Today, o ka communicate le motho hao anytime, but we have nothing to talk about. Kiri, hi, how are you? Or every day told me, give me a break. And I remember the problems because we are frustrated. And motho hao asa o posti ke problem. Ro serious ka relationship ya lona mos. Alo online asa bolele le wena o bolela le mang. Why?
Hey man, look, we used to take our time, bro.
With
No
relationships.
for 6 months.
No, you want numbers today, then next week you want to be very, very, very,
No,
very
man.
serious.
Kacheno.
You want to be
Are
intimate.
Netflix. Why must we wait? Wait for what?
Oh, what?
Why is it nakai? Also, Uber ya fita mo.
Let's look at the comments on Facebook. Ndibuo Chibura are mujolo wa no wa pateriwa ke DSTV.
Patela subscription.
Subscribe.
This month ago, our patela go boot.
Last one for now. Poshangwato are tsa khale di na le bozulu ka magare too much. Kore everything yebo baba. Sa no manyalo hala still respect I think. O tsana relationship o le loyal o tswa o loyal.
What?
O tsana relationship o le loyal. O tsana o le loyal. O tswa o lo. What?
That's wild.